Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining us. My name is Greg Garrett. I'm the community manager, joined by Nicholas Borsch, who's our 3CX product manager. We want to talk to you today about 3CX Update 7 Alpha. And with that, there's a lot of great innovations packed into it. First thing we want to mention is the native system health monitoring tool. Nicholas, tell us what's in store for people. What kind of metrics can they see? What's possible with this great new tool?
Yeah, so basically we made our own equivalent of Prometheus, made it in-house. And of course, now we can collect all the metrics that 3CX needs. And to show, again, we think of the admin. So we can monitor 3CXs when the CPU spikes, when the memory increases, and all those metrics that you would need to know about.
Okay. And so with the alerts, system admins can stay on top of the system resources. In case something goes wrong, they can adjust very, very quickly.
Absolutely.
So it's a great new tool. And I believe we also rolled out the AWS S3 buckets, so you've got some additional external storage capabilities. What's in store for people with that?
Well, you have a global scalability with AWS services. They're doing incredible advancements, especially in AI with Amazon Bedrock. So we had Google storage, Google Cloud Storage, GCP, and Azure, and it was only about time to add Amazon to the list.
No, it's perfect. I think it is a great advancement. And Amazon, obviously, global leader in data centers. So we also added, and this was something I'll say thanks for, with Update 6, when you and I met, we were discussing the latest advancements with our external data connectors to be able to use tools like Grafana, Power BI, etc. You had promised us that you would roll out MySQL, Microsoft SQL as well. So those are now in Update 7 Alpha. People can start offloading their data to these new databases as well. So tell me a little bit about that and what that brings to the table.
Yeah, so again, user options. Databases are quite personal. They all have their SQL variant. So yeah, we've got the 4 major databases that one can use. And we're looking for more options. So we have a great response on our community sites. So yeah.
Okay, perfect. Well, again, keep the innovations coming. I know that our customers and partners certainly appreciate that. There was also a big step forward with our backup and restore functionality. You can now test that out, and I believe there was a significant improvement as far as speed of processing there. What's in store for everyone?
Yeah, so first of all, a step back, the encryption. The backup is now encrypted. The backup contains a lot of sensitive data, and it deserved some real importance. So not only from a security aspect, but also from a performance gain. So now we can restore and back up 50% faster, which means that if you want to spawn a machine, like a case, you want to spawn a machine and recreate a replica of 3CX for a disaster recovery, for example, it will be faster for you to accomplish this.
Wow. All right. Well, it sounds like a great innovation. Nice step forward for 3CX. One of my personal favorites is the 3CX AI engine. Now that you guys have rolled out the ability in that, not to just do transcriptions for voice and calls, but also have summary and sentiment. What else is planned with the AI? I know that's a big ticket item and a lot of talk around that.
So we've improved our transcriber, and now we can transcribe and auto-detect languages better. And also, we're going to add AI to most areas in the product.
Wow.
So we're going to stay put for that because more stuff is coming in the future.
Okay. And I believe there were also some core system updates, keeping things safer and secure, and updating like to the latest .NET, the latest Postgres, etc. So I'm sure you and your team are busy keeping things on the right path. Anything else you want to add that our customers would be interested in here?
Yeah, so as we were saying, all technical depth had to be done, and we are very excited about this new series of Update 7 releases. We look forward to get feedback, and can't wait to release the final Update 7.
Okay, excellent. Well, stay tuned for that. If you want to download Update 7 Alpha, go into your admin console. You certainly can download it today. Please bear in mind, it is for testing purposes. Wait till the final release before you go to a live production environment. Stay tuned for more great updates with 3CX. Nicholas, appreciate your time.
Please like and subscribe for more great updates on 3CX.